Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Kaz. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail password in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, hacked your Gmail password, hijacked your Gmail password, or unfortunately you have lost your device and due to that you are unable to access of your Gmail once again because of everything has been the chance now on your particular ID, or in case unfortunately you have lost as well as forgot your Gmail password. What's a strategy we will have to approach without having the recovery email and the recovery phone numbers? How do you recover? We will see live here. There are so many alternative ways, but of course, this strategy I will show you that how easily you can recover any Gmail. Right now, this idea has been recommended by one viewer, so let's hit the recover because he has lost unfortunately his device. So let's see now see here, this is a particular ID that we would like to recover. It's asking a password but we don't have password. Now it's saying that recover the registered number, but we don't have means get a OTP, but we don't have a phone number also. So now it's saying that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is relevant. How could I make it mine? So of course this can be the possible. Yes, by answering his questions on, or the second, if your account is managed with the family links, we have the sense and emails to change your password. Here, if you try against, then Google will contact you. There, by difference, these family email links you have to enter with proof identity and the base. On the basis of especially Google will reply within 48 hours, and if it is on the basis of evidence and the proof, so then definitely you will have the strong opportunity to reset. But if you don't, you cannot approach by special aims of both your options, and then of course we can come in the another way. Yes, there are so many. Here is the two options, but of course let's make a further more opportunity to, especially reset of this password. So in that condition, what we will do, just we will come in especially Santa browser. Let's open to the download especially. Now it has started to download. Let it download. On the other hand, of course, we have two changes. That's the crucial, guys. We will tap on it this, and upon of course we will hold it. Let's hold, and upon of course we will tap on it, and after tapping on it especially, what we will do, guys, here, just let's notification make it off. Then of course we will come on here, we will come in a permission. In permission, what we will do here, just we will have to come on especially on the location there, make the precise location off, then click here, don't allow any this ones we will have. Now what we will do, guys, here, just we will back and yes, one more time. So let's cut it from here. Then of course we will come on once again. We have another browser, that's Chrome's. Let's hold it, and of course we will come in app info. Now here, what we will have to do, just to click on especially the notifications, make it off. Then of course we will come in the permission. In permission, what we will do here, guys, just we will click on a location, make the precise location off. If it is enabled, then you will have options to then go for here, no longer the function is intended, it's a notifying sequence. Here one more time we will have to back, guys, here. Then of course we will back one more time, and let's tap on it, guys. Just we will come on this, and we will pick in this browser, we will come on here, and we'll tap on this browser particulars. Now we'll have to go for term and conditions, we will accept it, and then of course we will go for here. So it's installing almost we have done. Let it switch on. But of course apply the similar strategy, watch carefully, and the phone of course we will go for here. So now see it's welcoming, so let's tap on it. Now that we are on here, just we will pick some these ones, then of course we will tap on here Google Co.in, right here, Google Co, just right here. Automatically it will give you links, don't worry. Now that we will tap on a sign in, And when we sign in, then of course here we will have options to especially write the particular this ID. So let's see. Yes, we will go for right here at the rate, then of course we will go for gmail.com. Let's see, tap on a next, guys. Let's see. Now here is asking a password. Of course we will go for here forgot password, and what will happen if we tap on a forgot password, it's asking say specialize in this device names, and we don't have a device. So now what we will do, guys, here just we will click on try another way. Let's see. If we tap on a try another way, then what we will do here, we don't have a phone number, so just we will tap on it especially. Now here is a thing that more tips to recover these accounts. We don't know what's the actual. So here by this option, of course, in this ID can be recovered. Here is all possibility, of course, much more possibility that answer as many questions we can. Second, you use a device where we have the sign in the before, and third one the manage with the family links, and that's what the first one. So of course, now here more tips to recover this account, but don't click on here because by a different browser I'm the trying to show. Just we will take assistance of Google now, and of course we will use this which will recover on this browser, but of course by another technique. Of course we will tap on a Google service, and tapping on a Google service, what we will do here, guys, we'll have to tap on this help options. If we tap on a help options, then what will happen here, guys, just of course we will wait here. You will have some consign into your Gmail accounts. Here it is, just picture this one, and upon of course we have option that you think someone else is using this account. Now here we will have to wait secure these accounts files. We tap on the securing in these accounts, and then of course we will have review your account activities. Of course we will tap on a find out if your account has been hacked. Then what we will do, guys, here we have these changes to recover these accounts. Now here see we can see how many possibility. One is a possibility that account google.com, by that of course I can create and replacement of your Google accounts, create a replacement, and that one is especially avoiding getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. Check it out. Furthermore, we have or not here, just to see use the computer, phones, devices, etc. And here is I don't have the remembers last the password. These things are the comments. Now there is no possibility, guys, here only once one arrow is of that. So tap on this, and of course we will now simply we will have to picture this area and see here what's that happens. Let's see. Now just we will tap on to next. Now see here directly we are here. Don't click on continue, just we will click on a change the password. Why so? Because of you would be a trap in its verify your option, so it's better that tap on it because you don't have the recovery phone numbers, the recovery device. So just we will tap on a change the password. So now we have the strong opportunity to create the strong password, confirms in a strong password, and upon change it. After changing, of course we will have to tap on this, and upon here write this manage your account security. In there of course we will have to go for in the manage your account, and in there you will have option security. In security there add their firstly email, and by getting on your registered recovery email, then of course you can remove your phone number that is not that you haven't been added on particular this account, modified or the change especially by hackers. Then once again add that phone number, and upon this ID will be permanently secure. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. We will not go the inside of this special ID because this is of course a security concern of this viewer. So this is all about on a live screen. We cannot create a strong the password right now. Just to go for do a similar strategy and the create of this, because on our screen of course we will create in the strong password and we will have to deliver. So this is all about in this video tutorial. To know more information, more update, more notifications, so then of course blindly drop the query in the comment box. A pleasure demands to reply of the query, and subscribe, likes, so that a further notification you will get easily. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.